Most people don't know this, but right now, there's a simple device that can make your electric meter spin backwards, and it was discovered by a 78-year-old janitor who got sick of paying outrageous power bills. It's called the lost generator, and it uses just $12 worth of hardware store parts to create clean, renewable energy right at home. Here's the crazy part. Families who try it are reporting up to 90% lower electric bills almost immediately. Some even say their utility companies owe them money. You don't need to be an engineer. You don't need expensive solar panels. And you definitely don't need to pay greedy electric companies anymore. With the backwards meter trick, anyone can build this in just a few hours and start saving money the same day. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the free video before it's taken down. If you're tired of being ripped off every month and you're ready to finally take control of your power, the Lost Generator could be your ticket to financial freedom and energy independence.